working. If this is a money trade VIPS, you still have a problem. Basically, we've been sitting here, guys, in this bull flag since 10:30. What's the time now? Sorry, it's now 1:30. So that's 3 hours of absolutely no movement. Nvidia also back to the entry after it was at one point $1 in the money. FIGS still looking great. Okay, guys, maybe we have a short trade here in this loser, SLGG, under 520. They deliver a good move, though. I doubt it. Okay, not gonna do it. The market refuses to give us any break. I mean, any pullback, and that's shameful. Wish reversal long. Wish we were in the trade earlier. Now wishing for a reversal. Basically, it's reversed from 1310 up to 1350. Yeah, it's not really clear right now. I cannot believe that the second time the reversal in Smith and Wesson was such a big winner. The first time we did 50 cents, came back to the entry. The second time it's now up 80 cents. Was up 80 cents. What a Anyway, I'm not in the trade anymore, so nothing for me. MOXC, let's take a look. MOXC is very spready as much as I remember. Let's take a look again. Wow, what happened here? Wow, what a beautiful entry in MOXC. Yeah, you're right. 13, 40 or 50. It would have been beautiful. 1340. 1340. Assuming there were no spreads, that would have been a golden trade. $3 mover? Are you kidding me? CLNE short, let's take a look. MOXN not in our lexicon right now. Nothing is working to the downside. I think we need to stop it. Take a look at VIPS. Aha, it's moving higher. Moved down 2 cents and is now up 10 cents. It's a waste of time to short anything today. I won't short anything at this point. And it's not like you have a great entry here in CLNE. It was rejected at the VWAP. May continue higher actually. The only one that continues to disappoint again and again and again is this AVXL. What a loser. By far. Long is the direction and only direction. Guys, the FIGS looks again better. Those who want to stay in the trade, you can elevate. I'm still in the trade. I still have 300 shares. This is the new stop loss, 40.70 or 40.65 on FIGS. I'm going to change my stop loss. That's now a clearly technical level at 40.65. And I will swing it if it, if it continues higher into the close over 41.50. That's a nice winner, 300 shares for a swing trade. Nvidia is back at the entry, so the $1 winner, which is nothing for Nvidia, back. VIPS at the entry. The RCH dropped 50 cents. Not good. Not good. Actually, the worst thing is that by now the SPY is trading on fumes, no volume at all. I mean, this is like zero volume price action with, still 20, 25 minutes into this land session. VIPS 1758. It's back to the entry. But the chances of making money today on a short trade, I don't want to say zero, but not far away from zero. Unless you are short Bitcoin today, good luck with that, The only sector that's dropping today is Bitcoin. The only leading sector, I mean, it's not a leading sector, but and semiconductors are probably AMD is also losing ground because of Bitcoin. I don't know. Maybe it has to do with miners um, having to leave China, and obviously they will buy less, probably less um, AMD equipment, mining equipment for AMD, maybe also from Nvidia. RCL at the highs of the day. I've been watching the stock all day, but Not find an entry point. Tesla, okay, let's take a look. Actually, Tesla is a lagging stock today, but um, it's exactly now the highs of the day. Uh, I don't know. It's now trending higher basically since it's been doing not a lot today, but if I'm looking at an entry point, I think 622 was good, maybe 620. I don't see a great entry right now. Highs of the day in the SPY. Sorry, is it the highs of the day? Yeah, actually, we're 5 or 10 cents away from the highs of the day in the SPY. I'm thinking maybe buying Apple at the highs of the day, but this is kind of aggressive for this time of the day. Buy the breakout. 132.25 is exactly right now. Just drag it. What do you mean? How to just drag it to another platform, to another screen? You can drag window by window or the whole. I think the whole frame. The best thing to do is to drag window by window and save space. Actually, Gabe can help you with that. I can see that he's responding to you. So drag window by window. Anyway, you have a support that can help you with that. Okay, guys, FIGS is killing it or what? Suddenly I see profits in FIGS. Yeah, the breakout over 41.25, and the stock spiked over 42. That's a $2 winner, guys, in this trade. I wish I had my 1,200 shares at this point, but I have only 300. How many do I have? Yeah, 300. Still, 300 is $2 in the money. Not bad. Actually, great. Okay, guys. Some of you asked about adding on the FIGS trade. So if you look at the chart, there were a couple of entry points. 41 risking 25 cents, and I think the best entry was 41 and a quarter, risking also 25 cents. Yeah, it's a $2 winner. $2 winner. As those who are in the trade with in FIGS, you know the new stop loss, and I would suggest you be patient until 4. Wow, it's now $3 in the money or approaching. Be patient until 4 p.m. and then you can decide if to swing or what. My God, if I had the whole position on the right now, it would have been a $3,000 winner. If it depends. What do you mean? Using market orders or limit orders? It depends. What type of trade you're taking? Immediate entry, a pattern, liquid stock, very spready. Not all the trades are the same. If you're trading a liquid stock, by all means, use the market order. But if not, you need to be more careful. Let's put it this way. Or don't trade. Yeah, all the short trades are losers. Nvidia, VIPS. Market at the highs of the day and won't let go. It's like one-stop shop, only longs. Out of Nvidia, unbelievable. At only 50 shares, but still. Uh, $3 stop loss, that's $150 burned. Let's go Tesla. Market is supporting the long trades, no question about that. We have two long trades that are working amazingly well. Uh, the FIGS and the TRCH. The AEI trade is a bust. OCGN, okay, let's take a look. Wow. I think this is another COVID play. Highs of the day are 680. Question is, can we buy it? And if so, where is the stop loss? There is some volume coming in, you know what? Waiting for news? What type of news? COVID news? Okay, guys, VIPS. We're winning 2 cents on that trade. Don't sell it all yet. All well, not all-time highs. Highs of the day for the SPY is up 1.4. The Q is up 0.5%. So today it's the SPY's turn to run higher. If I have to look for a trade right now, I'm still looking for long trades, but why the market looks extended? I don't think it has to do with the price. Boeing is allowed to move 3% in a day. I don't know, maybe there are some news, maybe they're selling planes, maybe I don't know what's happening there. RCL is higher. On the other hand, COVID stocks are also higher. So and the energy sector is super strong today. Pump is up. GUSH is up. If it breaks under 13, maybe it's going to be an interesting trade to go long over 13. But I don't see right now an entry point. The VWAP is at 1290. Any entry now above 1310 is, a bit extended. 1310 was a reasonable entry, I think. Wish, even 15. I did not enter the trade though. JP Morgan is up today. Let's see, 1.76%. It had a nice reversal here. Very nice. I wish you would have seen it. Boeing is strong today. Coles, that retail stock. Fresh new highs, guys, on the SPY, 420.88. I'm really getting tired to look for those long trades and can't find anything. Nothing to say other than wow on the SPY price action. Basically, we built almost a 3-hour bull flag that ended up creating the move higher. JMIA is super weak today, but it's. I don't want to say it's not tradable because JMA is definitely an interesting trade every day, but At the lows of the day right now, I've seen it before. It's not that. Basically, the entry, if it all, was 27.24, I think. 27.24, risking 15 cents or 20 cents. Wow, Caterpillar. We didn't trade Caterpillar or, for that matter, John Deere in years. Looks good. Caterpillar, a big pullback. D is John Deere. Looks pretty much the same. Okay, guys, we're making money in VIPS, 3 cents. Not bad. Wake me up when we're gonna make 30. Guys, AVXL totally busted. You see how powerful the VWAP is? The VWAP basically, I know, it's like doesn't happen very often, but such a big pullback after the rejection. I think we traded this trade, some of you 3 times today. TR's edge is not a breakout, Peter. At 950. Highs of the day are 1080, so definitely a reversal of the trend now into higher. I'm not gonna add on this trade or do anything to tamper with it. This should be my swing trade. Hoping that it's gonna reach at least 11 tomorrow. Wish over 13, I think it's very extended. Hold on a second, let me check it again. Oh, you're right, it's now at the entry. Guys, VIPS. Closing in on 10 cents or what? Finally, a short trade is working. NVIDIA, let's take a look. I already lost $3 in that trade on 50 shares. Not a fan of this trade. Yeah, obviously. Nothing higher. AUVI. Hold on a second. What happened there? AUVI, you sure, Linda? It's a very low volume stock. Again, I don't see any reason to trade it. It's very spready, no volume. Obviously, it's selling off today, but why would we bother ourselves with this trade? Ah, you mean the news? I didn't see any movement. Now I see it. Is it possible that we're gonna make money in VIPS? Target 17.30. 10 more cents. I'm taking the partial in VIPS. Okay, maybe we need something. You know, that's a lucky trade. Again, it doesn't look like the volume in that stock is, you know, a Reddit volume, but who knows? I mean, who knows whose volume is what? Nobody really knows. If you know, you cannot tell it to the public. As for the after lunch session, can we trust AVXL? I don't think we can trust it, but it's such a failure today. At one point, maybe it's going to deliver the the leg up. Again, I rather trade, and you know what? Something else. Anything that's a mistake here, it's being exploited. Anything. Guys, in a couple of minutes, Scott is going to be back from his dance session. Keep following the short trade in VIPS. That's a 10-cent winner, was a 10-cent winner, now less. The other trades were way better maybe 10 minutes ago. Now a big pullback in FIGS, a big pullback in TRCH. AI looks terrible by now. We need the leg down, guys. That's my bottom line for in this market. A leg down will be the best thing. We are very extended and looking, tired. Let's go. Let's go this way. The market looks tired. Guys, I'm taking a short break. Scott is going to take over in a minute, and then I will join Scott into the close today.
Hey guys, hey Michael, can I get a sound test, please?
Hi Yogi, how are you?
I'm great. Shorted space today at the opening.
Nice trades over lunch.
Yeah, I saw the figs that Danny posted. Danny posted figs. And I wrote in the chat, guys. I don't know if you.
$3 winner.
Yeah, I saw. And I wrote in the chat 2 hours ago, RBLX 8025. Anyone saw that? RBLX. I didn't take it. I was in the middle of the lesson and I already closed it today. Closed my day and right. How can I forward this message? Let's see. That was okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, I didn't take it also, Linda. That's okay. But this daily chart, that was obvious that we're going to see it bouncing today. I almost shorted a sun again, placed an order under 60.40, almost triggered. And I think that we should follow the cruise stocks. CCL approaching 28.50, and I talked about CCL today, above 28.10, but I was already in some other trades, but that could work right now, CCL, let's see, NCLH, and then we'll decide which one to take. Yeah, I think CCL. That could be a nice 15. Yeah, Javad, I stopped out as well. Stopped out with a small loss in Roblox. I agree. I managed it with you guys in the room. But then in the middle of the lesson, we saw it, but I didn't take it. I said a few days ago in one of my wake up videos, the best trade of the day is the one you didn't take. Right? And then Danny took to the figs. Okay, CCL.
Traders, good afternoon. It's Scott. Welcome back for lunch. Yogi, good afternoon.
Hey, Scott, can you please share your charts?
Yeah, I'm going to restart my browser here. I'll be right back, traders.
Okay, take your time. So guys, CCL 2850, amazing daily chart. And you know what? I'm not going to take it for a swing because I have so many open positions in my swing account. But also Roblox and CCL, good point. Good point to take them for swing.
Okay, can everybody see that? Yep, we're all set now. Traders, just to bring everybody up to date, I got out of the AEI trade right after that 12 o'clock here. I got out minus about 2 cents on the $7 piece here on AEI. So I'm out of the trade. I'm going to look for another trade, maybe bouncing off of 6 here. We'll see if that happens. If not, that'll be a broken trade. The other trade that I really like is Wish right here at 13. One that I will definitely take a look at taking here. Wish at 13. If it does bounce, we could get into this trade long here on Wish. I'll take it at 13.20, okay? 13.20, looking for 30 cents to the upside. So this is going to be my first trade of the afternoon. Wish long over 13.20. Hey, Romika. Good afternoon. All right, let's just be
5
patient
cents
with
away,
this one here.
CCL. Scott, can you place a CCL on one of your charts?
Yeah,
We're taking it
definitely
above
can.
28.50.
Definitely can. Yep, let's put it where this torch trade is, CCL. Yeah, let's go.
And maybe I'll take Wish. Look very good. Scott posted Wish 1320, and today's high is 1396. That means that we're going to test it, right? Okay. Going to take Wish. And again, after lunch, I'm trading small risks, small share size. List an order in Wish. Yeah, Liao, I saw CGN. Intraday news moved from 6 to 680, and now, okay, now you can see it's still moving higher. Yeah, you know, Zach and Eliao, OCGN, every few days, there's some news about it, but this is one of the most volatile stocks that you can find in Wall Street. Moved from 1 to 15, dropped to 4, move again to 16, then drop to 7, bounce to 12, then 6 again. Dangerous stock to fall asleep with. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Scott traded OCGN several times. But I took lazy a few weeks ago above 450 and I closed it on 7. But I'm not that good in those penny stocks. You know, for example, UAVS. UAVS, you can see on the 15th of June, we took it here in the room. No, that was 17, last week. Those penny stocks, you know, it opened with a gap up, moved up 15% and closed with a loss, closed red. Okay, Wish, 4 cents away. And I'm in this trade. You guys, good luck in Wish. Took very small share size, so my first target will be 14. And CCL, 5 cents away. Can't believe the S&P is so strong today. If you open the futures today before the market opened, 2 hours before the market opened, the future were minus almost 1%, 0.8, 0.7. I don't know if some of you guys are watching it on those hours, but I thought we're going to see a very, very red day. Let's see MVIS, Zaki. I'm also following Clove because of its daily chart. Let's see Mavis. Okay, nice daily chart. Agree. The I here is 1947, 1945. Well, Zaki, 1950. Very interesting. Yeah, all those stocks with Asana, MVIS, and Clove in my extended list, guys. Oxygen. Maybe it's a Reddit thing, right?
Okay, on the wish trade here, if you're into the wish trade with me, 1350, let's go 1345, 48, somewhere around in there. Let's just let it start to run up here now.
Yeah, I took it with you, Scott. And very nice. And today's highs is 1396. So I think we're going to see maybe 14.
Right.
Nice entry in Wish.
Yeah, let's just keep the volume running here. Hopefully it continues to grow. See OCGN. Q's at the top. Casual day so far. Yeah, OCGN pulled down to that 7. Wow. Wonder what happened there on OCGN. It's over 750. Could see, towards 10. Not today, but what's the news on it? Yeah. Oh, if there's no news, definitely can be intraday short squeeze for sure. Come on, Wish.
Yeah, so far the short sellers in OCGN are making money, I think. So the S&P is bouncing on the daily chart from the 50 EMA. We are up 1.4% today. Wow. In the S&P, 0.5 only on the Qs. Every day something different between the S&P and the Qs. Someone is winning. Let's see, Clove. No, Edward. I don't think now will be a good entry point for Clove, but because of its daily chart, tomorrow should be interesting. Exactly like Roblox, RBLX. But Zach, you wrote MVIS, and I think above 1950 today would be interesting, and maybe we could build our position above 1930. I think I'll do it. MVIS 1930 takes a small share size, and I will add above today's high. I will build my position.
Come on, Wish.
I'm going to take MVIS above 1930. Wish starting to move. CCL still 8 cents away.
Chasing that 1350. Remember, once we get across 1340, get your hand on the trigger here to see if we can get this to go. Nice move on OCGN, M. Very nice. Nice entry. I'm going to try a space trade over 36. Smaller share size here, traders. Smaller share size over 36 long.
I'm about to take MVIS. Where is Zaki? Zaki, let's build our position. 1930, then we'll add.
Come on, Wish. Keep going.
It's amazing to see that my big winner from today, Space, 2600, took it from 36 to 35. Now back to 36. That's what we're taking our partials. And Scott, what was the symbol you took today? TRCH, right?
Yes, tier torch. And here's the entry for
Seems
space.
to make a video, a lesson.
I'm going to come into
And make
space.
a lesson only about how you manage this trade.
Yep.
The TRCH. Selling into the strength.
No doubt about it. Traders, if you're not sure about selling into the strength or you've never heard that before, you'll go put some stuff together as far as kind of reviewing that. But in a sense, when you become I guess a more professional trader, you start to understand that the strength of the move, where all the volume is, right? Like if we look at OCGN, look at this. No volume, decent volume, big spike in volume. When this is going up like this is where you're selling. This is not where you're buying. This is where you're unloading shares. You're buying at the break of Friday's close, at the break of 640. That's when you start to get involved. That's where the professional trader is involved. Okay. The amateur trader is buying maybe, in here, up in here, and hoping that it goes higher. Nothing wrong with that, right? But typically you're selling into the move of the into the more volume.
Okay, I took MVIS. Scott was in the middle of a sentence, right?
No, I'm here. Sorry.
No. Oh, okay.
Just-
Okay. Okay, guys, I can't watch it. I can watch it. Let's take it. $60.40 Asana. Actually, you can take it with, I'll take it with 20 cents. If it will move under this 60.40, that will be it.
I'll put a sign up
Okay.
here. If you're into the space trade with me, you need to establish a stop loss, which is going to be 35.50. Target's going to be 36.50, so 1 to 1. Here comes our wish trade. Wish, wish, wish. It's looking great. Yogi, let's see if it gets past that 1350 here. 1350.
Yeah, I took small shares. I'll wait for 14. You know, Meir talked about it, I think, in his latest video, that he survived the pullback, and you can take long distance with stocks when you take in a small share size.
Yeah.
I took small share size in Wish, so let's hope I will stay there until, well, probably above 1350. I'll take my first target. And nice entry. Okay, we're getting close to 1350. Thank you for this, Scott. And guys, ASAN, if you think, wait a second, why yogis want to short a stock that's moving up 4.7%, just open its daily chart. You can see that something is happening over there. Extremely extended. That's why I think we're going to see it's moving lower.
Come on, space, keep coming. Time to take a partial right here on Wish. Watch the Wish trade now. Just moved past there. We're going to open up this trade a little bit. Can see it push that 1350. We get above 1350. Could also add here at 1350. I have not taken a partial yet. I hope we get that 1350. We start to break higher here.
CCL, I'm changing my order. 10 cents stop loss. That means that I'm changing the quantity that I'm going to take. ASAN, waiting for it to trigger. Wish, nice 30 cents move. And MVIS, at my entry point. I will add above 1950. Let's see, Pumba, P-U-B-M. Big spreads in the PUBM, Eliao, 19 cents, and the volume right now 840. And the daily chart is supporting the short, but I think I'll take it. the Bitcoin is still trading above 32. A week, that's too much, Javad. But my swing trades are killing it today. Took Zip, took Task, took Bumble, but I missed.
There's our wish trade.
Which one?
Here we go, baby.
Figs.
Take a partial right here
I'm
at
about to short
52,
Asana.
1552, selling into the strength of the move. 3/4 of the trade out. Not bad. Okay. Not a bad opening trade for the afternoon session here. On Wish.
Yeah, I'll take my first target as well, Scott.
Yeah. Good idea.
Thank you for this trade.
Sure. Glad to help.
Guys, pay attention for ASAN 6040. You can take it with the 20-cent stop loss. Yeah, nice opening for lunch, Scott. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Jorge.
Okay,
Continue
Asana.
With Wish, and I'm still in the space trade, SPCE.
ASAN, I'm about to short it. $60.40. Okay, I'm shorting Asana, guys. Now, next target will be 60. Let's hope we will get there soon. Yeah, ugly entry. Come on. Still in ASAN.
So in the space trade
what?
to SPCE. I got my eye on this RBLX also. It's pulled down nicely.
I don't know what happened right now in ASAN, but I survived this. It was an ugly spike. Luckily, I didn't place hard stop loss, right? Because CCL, yeah, also triggered. Yeah, you're right. CCL triggered. I mean, actually, the next support in Asana is 60.25, and then the 60. So let's hope we will see it. CCL, 10 cent stop loss, so we need to see 28.70. MVIS starting to move.
You know what I'm happy about? I'm happy that we didn't give the money away that we made this morning. We've added to it with the Wish trade. I'm out 3/4 of that trade. I'm still full share size on space. And don't forget my space stop loss is going to be 35.50 right below that VWAP line. Pull this over here. We'll watch all this together here. All of it together. We're calling the trades before we're getting into them, watching the trades and watching them work while watching this market as well.
Okay, guys, ASAN. Now we can place hard stop loss above 60.77. I'm not going to place any because I still think we're going to see it moving lower, and I don't want to spike out. CCL, I will place hard stop loss 28.39. And MVIS, okay. Didn't place an order to add. I'll post it again. MVIS, I'll add above 1950, guys. ALF over 8, let's see. Stock. Yeah, okay, nice resistance on 8. Touched 801 a few hours ago on 11 and bounced and it dropped. Yeah, that could work with the normal stop loss. Not my style, Luis. I'm not going to take it. And I took Wish with Scott so far after one partial. I took with him. I took MVIS with Zaki, right? So far moving up nicely. 7 cents, right? I took CCL